In this video, I'll explain how to fix the one or more issues error in Mailchimp. This message usually appears when Mailchimp detects that something is preventing your campaign or account from working correctly. In most cases, the issue is related to missing required information, audience settings, sender details, or content that needs your attention. The first thing you should do is click on the warning message. Mailchimp will usually highlight the exact issue that needs to be fixed. Next, review your campaign settings. Make sure you've selected a recipient audience, added a valid sender name and email address, entered a subject line, and completed any required fields. If you're still seeing the error, check your audience for invalid contacts, review any broken links or missing content in your email, and make sure your account doesn't have any verification or billing issues that require attention. After fixing the highlighted problem, refresh the page or save your changes. In most cases, the warning will disappear automatically. If none of these solutions work, contact Mailchimp support, as the issue may be specific to your account. And that's how to fix the one or more issues error in Mailchimp.